skipped the rest of my face and I just went ahead and started with the eye makeup because that's what's most important about this video. That's what it's centered around. So I started with my Smashbox primer in the color Light, and I'll put the description and everything. And then I started blending my crease color or my transition color into my crease. I used like a warmish brown color from my Tarte palette, and yeah, so I went ahead and started blending a darker shade into the crease so it's not like transitioning from yellow to my concealer color. The next thing I did was go back over my lid with a little bit more concealer, just so that the yellow shadow pops more on my lid. So now I'm going in with my NYX shadow pigment, and it's in the color stfu, and I went in with a flat eyeshadow brush. This brush was from e.l.f. and it's really good. So this color wasn't really popping as much as I wanted it to. That's okay, because then I go in with my NYX Fire palette, and that yellow color, as you can see, has way more pigment. I'm nodding my head. I'm hilarious. So yeah, just so you guys know, sometimes when you're doing your eyeshadow and you really want that color to pop, you're gonna take some time. You gotta have patience, because it's not just gonna be, you know, wham bam, thank you ma'am. Okay, so now I'm just blending that color in with the crease and transition color, and now I'm going in with my white eyeliner. My eyeliner was drying out, which is so annoying because I've had this literally since Halloween when I did like a skull look, and yeah, so it took a little bit longer than I wanted it to. And I didn't have white mascara. I couldn't find my white mascara primer, so I just used my eyeliner, and that's a cool trick if you're looking for some, you know, out there adventurous white eyeliner. White mascara, just use eyeliner. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with my NYX Lid Lingerie in the color Bad to the Bone, just to emphasize the lashes with white color. You guys, this look was so fun to do. Like, I've never tried anything this bold or this out there, but I had a great time doing it, and you know, it was definitely a challenge, something that I'm not really used to. So anyway, I just went in with the lower lash line and took that eyeliner and made my waterline white and my bottom lashes. And then I'm just going to add a little bit more color onto my lid, because I did this look for Easter. I mean, I didn't go anywhere, but like, this was the Easter egg inspired theme that I did. And I just added a little bit more yellow. I was experimenting. Okay, so now I'm gonna use my setting spray and highlighter kit. Yes, literally this is my favorite part of doing makeup. Like, all about the glow, baby. And so this is when things got a little bit crazy. So I used that same white Bad to the Bone eyeshadow to make my lips white, because I ended up turning them into little egg yolks. Or sunny side up eggs. That's what I made my lips look like. So now for my little accent, I took that yellow eyeshadow from my NYX Fire palette, and I'm gonna take my white eyeliner as well. Oop, touch up. Yeah, I really wanted this look to pop. Yeah, so now I'm gonna use the white liner and draw little squiggly circles like your, you know, typical sunny side up egg. Add a little bit more white to my lips. And then I kept rubbing my lips together, which kept making the eyeshadow separate. So that was annoying. And then I tried to take some white eyeshadow to cover that up, and that wasn't really working. So then I went ahead and added more eyeliner. Oh my goodness. And voila, here we have the final look. Hair out, glitter on, jewelry too. Thanks for watching. Everything will be left in the description box. I had so much fun recording this look for you guys. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.